Hi children, welcome back to the Max class. So easy conceptual learning by Saujanya. Yes, I know it have been very long time to do long videos, and now we have decided on one of our subscribers' request that they need about the squares and square roots, okay, and about even the cubes and all, which they want the clear and in detail explanation. Okay, so today's video we are starting with the squares and square roots. So already, as you have learnt in your previous shorts, my shorts already I have posted, telling you about how, what is the definition of the square, how to find out the square, and what is the representation of it and all. Okay, a few points regarding that. So now let's enter into the video to know what is the squares and square roots. Okay, are you all ready? Yes, get back. So going back into my video. Squares. So squares means you all know that the squares are nothing but which are a representation for the number. Suppose if you want to know about the square, suppose 5 square. So the square representation is written as a power. Okay, square means 2. So that representation is given in the place of the power. Okay, so do you understand that? So 5 square means, what do you mean by that? 5 should be multiplied for 2 times, where your answer for 5 square is nothing but 25. Is that clear? Yes. So 25. This is how you find the squares, okay, for each and every number. Now let us see how you will be finding out for what are these square roots. Square roots means actually if any number is given to you, suppose for example 36. If any number is given for you like this, you need to find the square root of it. Root means what? Means the symbolization. That means the representation. The representation for root is like this. Okay. This is how you represent the root. Okay. Why I told square root? I'll tell you in detail about it. Okay. 36. That means square root of this number. That means if that is under the root 36. Okay, so this we call it as square root. How you call square? Because actually in between these two there will be a number called 2, where you tell this is a square root. Suppose if you have 3 in between, you tell it as a cube root. You can write any number in between. Okay, so cube root of so and so number, or square root of so and so number. This is how you read the number also. Okay, now you all understood how to write the representation of that square root. Okay, now let us learn how you can find out whether the given number is a square root or not. First, you have to write the prime factorization method for the given number. See, suppose 36 is there. So in an elongated L. So this is not like an LCM, but still you will be finding out. You'll find out all the prime factorization means what? You should see whether you should write the given number as a product of its prime numbers, not any other numbers. See, I know 36 will be directly, it will be divisible in 12 table. I cannot write 12 here. Okay, so I should write with a prime number. Suppose because this number is ending with 6, so all the divisibility rules, all the prime numbers, prime factorization, see, all are interlinked. That means you have to understand each and every concept should be understood and should not be mugged up. Okay, you should never mug up with max. So each and every class you go after, the previous class is like a basic for you. So 36, so 6, as the number is ending with 6, what is happening there? This is satisfying the rule of the divisibility rule of 2, where if a number ends with 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0, they are divisible exactly in 2. So let me write with 2, and if you know, you can directly make it up that it is 18. Okay, or else you can divide at the side and you can write it. Is that clear? That is up to you whether you want to write it or not like that. Okay, so this is 8 again with 2, so it becomes 9, and now it is not divisible in 2, so it is divisible in 3, because 3 is also a prime number. 3 will go for 3 times. 3 3s are 9, and 3 and 1. So see how many times it is written. So now you write this number as what? Square root of 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. This is how you have 36 is written for you. 1 is negligible because if you multiply the whole number with 1, it's okay. So 1 is not necessary to put inside the thing. Now, as our root is a square root, okay, so if any number is repeated for 2 times, because this number is 2, if it is 3, no, it should be repeated for 3 times. It should be repeated for 3 times. So that you learn in the cube root. So if any number is repeated for 2 times, that number will come out of the root. It will have the eligibility to come out of the root how it is, along with the arithmetic sign in between them. 2 into what? Here 1 2 came out and here 1 3 came out. So 2 into 3, where it gives you 6. So 6 is the square root of 36. Okay, is it clear? That means what? If you multiply this number for 2 times, 6 square is nothing but 36. Yes or no? This is how you'll find out. Okay, this is how you'll find out the square root of the given number. I hope you all understood it, and many of you are just watching my channel without subscribing. So that subscription of yours is a kind of encouragement and help for us to be encouraged to do more and more videos. Okay, so hope if you have not subscribed till now, please subscribe my channel, like my channel, and then if you have any other doubts or any queries to be asked, please send me in my comment section. Thank you for watching.